Okay, y'all. We have to turn back around. The rain has spoiled. Wait, let's see. Oh, now you want Grandma to help you? Would you?
Happy Grandma.
Happy Grandma.
It's a waffle.
Oh, come on. Woo-hee. Come.
Waffle's coming.
Yeah, that's gotta go. We'll wait for Skylar. She's not deciding if she wanna give.
It's coming.
Stay right here. Let's wait. You're right. Oh, it went that way. Good job. Come on. The rain has stopped. Yes, see if I can see. The rain. Come, sis. Come.
My hair is wet.
Your hair's getting wet. We can't have that, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, we can't have the hair getting wet. Say no. Say rain, rain, go away.
Go away, Dad. Go away.
Come back another day.
Come another day.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.